Today, we're going to be talking about the C7C4 Wi-Fi NVR kit. This Wi-Fi NVR kit is ZKTeco's 4-channel kit, which is suitable for monitoring 4 surveillance devices simultaneously. This kit provides up to 6 terabytes of storage, allowing its owners to store a large amount of surveillance feed for future references. It also allows users to choose between local and cloud storage. Monitoring and managing this kit is seamless thanks to its integration with the Z Smart Home application. With the Z Smart Home applications, its users can easily monitor surveillance feed directly from their mobile phones. It is also equipped with an advanced human detection system which can distinguish between human movements and other various movements, ensuring that it sends accurate notification and reduces false alarms. This kit is suitable for all your semi-outdoor scenarios such as your garages, your shops, your backyards, and many more. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this kit and showing you the various components that comes with this NVR kit. So let's get right into unboxing the C7C4. So once I open it up, the first thing you can see is the quick start guide. Then we have the NVR itself. And inside here we have the power adapters. We have the mouse, we have an Ethernet cable, then in here we have surveillance cameras. Once you get this kit, you should have 4 surveillance cameras, as you can see. This is one. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. So those are the 4 channels in the C7C4 Wi-Fi NVR kit. So that is all we have in this kit. In subsequent videos, my colleagues will be showing you how to connect this kit and do various setups for the C7C4 4-channel Wi-Fi NVR kit. Thank you.